as busy as usual. Good sign. Beautiful morning today. Ooh. Bit cold though. We've got toadies. Nice. Bit calm. Bit too calm for snapper. I'm gonna give it a go anyways. Set a couple of rods. Some baits ready. Pilchard. Hopefully. Try for some fresh squid on that side. If we can get some fresh bait, our chances are a hell of a lot better catching one of those nice snappers on there. That's cool. We've got some fresh squid. Rings go a long way. Not for you, mate. Go away. Get your own. Let's go bait up. Good. First rod. Make sure it's down at the bottom. Right, so straight. Oh, still sinking. Right, at the bottom. Now if you're coming down here to Port Phillip Bay, as you can see we're pretty much down here at the start of the pier. Beautiful thing with this is there's a big reef that's going out that way. So snapper, bigger fish are usually lurking around there looking for food. If you can get your cast towards the end of the reef there, your chances improve. The other great option is towards the end of the pier and back towards the lights. There's another reefy structure down there, so that's another great spot if you're chasing big fish. A few other species, squid, we're gonna try, but it's inside of the pier, if that makes sense. We're gonna go through that a little bit later. Alright, for the time being, let's get a couple more rods set up, see if we can catch a fish. Half a pilchard, things like this, is a killer bait, pinkies and big snapper. Little bites. Is it? It's tiny, right? Oh my god! Another one. Not a bad morning. Again, go. Fish number 3.
But you can go for
Go quick, go quick. Another pinky.
Okay, you're still waving.
I know. Wait, wait.
A nice fish, huh?
Keep pressure on him. There's rocks there. He was gonna try getting in the rocks. Did he get you in the rocks? He did. Let him go a little bit. It's probably a little pinky again. Did he fall off? Yep. Ah. Oh my god. Another one. It was clear that just the pinkies had moved in and we're picking on every bait we put in front of them. So we packed up the snapper rods, grabbed our squid rod, tried for some squid on the other side of the pier a few minutes before heading home. If you guys enjoy these videos, please give us a like and subscribe. It gives us huge boost of energy to do more videos like this, and that's exactly what we're planning to do. More land-based locations, give you a few pointers and show you what we do, how we do to catch a fish. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And maybe click up here to see our trip down at Coronella last week or a couple of weeks ago. Thanks again.